True coffee lovers know the real meaning of rise and grind, that is, they brew their morning cup of joe from freshly ground beans. For those connoisseurs, a good coffee grinder is a kitchen staple on par with a frying pan or a cutting board. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best coffee grinders in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Bodum Bistro Burr Coffee. This machine was very simple to use. There are 3 main grinding settings: fine, medium, and coarse, and each has 4 intermediate options of their own for a total of 12 settings, so you're sure to get the right texture to brew your perfect cup, from espresso to a French press brew. We noted that the settings were quite intuitive, though there is an instruction manual, making the Bodum a good choice for beginners, though it would fit well into anyone's coffee routine. It's also rather quiet for a coffee grinder, so you don't have to worry about waking up the whole house when it's time for coffee. We were impressed with its clean design, but its performance is what nabbed the top spot for the Bodum. During testing, it produced very consistent grounds each time. Number 2. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee. This machine is far from complicated, the settings were intuitive and there was very little setup, though the detailed instruction manual is there if you need it. The stainless steel chamber made easy work of pouring the grounds out for use. The settings are numbered, making them easy to follow, plus the brewing methods are clear. In fact, the only thing that at first seems intimidating with this machine is the cleanup, but the directions were clear and the small brush and dry paper towel were all that were needed. Though the machine was impressive with its ability to grind the beans with consistency and created grounds to brew a cup with a rich caramel color, we did notice that you had to choose a higher setting than what was recommended in order to achieve those results. Number 3. Baratza Virtuoso. The Baratza Virtuoso Plus is an impressive-looking coffee grinder, though it's simple to set up, thanks to a guide that offers clear instructions in more than 20 different languages. The backlit display makes it easy to see the timer countdown as well as the settings. There are 40 different ones so you can grind a variety of coffee beans. We found the buttons were a bit sensitive and kept turning on the pulse mode by mistake, so there might be a bit of a learning curve at first with that. Overall, this grinder performed very well and was consistent with the control for the various brews. The blind taste test found the Virtuoso Plus produced coffee that had a nutty flavor with mild aroma and a slight hint of bitterness but very pleasant taste. The sleek design of the machine also makes it very easy to clean up. Number 4. Baratza Encore Conical Burr Coffee. The Baratza Encore has 40 settings to achieve the ideal grind for your desired coffee bean. It produced a flavorful coffee that had a clear appearance and nice aroma. We did have a bit of difficulty with the setup of this grinder, due to a missing gasket and parts that were difficult to align despite the instructions being rather clear. Though it's easy to adjust the settings, it would have been even better if the grind preferences were indicated on the machine. However, this machine is a nice size for storage in a cabinet or on a counter, and we like that it comes in either black or white. It was also easy to clean, thanks to the cone-shaped cleaning brush. Number 5. Krupp's Silent Vortex Coffee. If you're new to coffee grinders and are concerned that you'll have to break the bank on an expensive burr machine, this one from Krupp's will have you thinking differently. We liked the sleek design of this, though it is a bit tall. There's just one button to operate it, so it's super easy to get started. While it's not silent, it is quiet. We found that it produced an even grind without having to shake up the grinder to redistribute the beans, and it has a very consistent grind for the blade type, no need to agitate or manipulate beans mid-grind to ensure an even product. The result was a brew with a light and pleasant taste and a sweet finish. There aren't many features on this budget-friendly coffee grinder, though the insert does lift out and has a lid to store the ground coffee. It's also very easy to clean.